Hi everyone! For this video, I'm going to go over how to give your students extra time or other accommodations for a test. So if you have a student who needs extra time on a test or needs to take it at a different date, a different time frame, anything like that, you can do so with user overrides. So if you go to your quiz or exam that you have, and from the editing menu, you're going to click user overrides right here. And this will be where the list is if you have more than one, but for now we're just going to add one. And we're going to give Jess a user override. So let's say for whatever reason, Jess needed to take this quiz on the 26th instead of the 25th. We could just do this and then give her the same time frame or maybe a different time frame, but then you'll see that everything else is the same as what we've set it up to in the quiz assignment itself. Now let's say it's not a different date that just needs but more time. If she needs more time, then you can just extend the time frame. Now sometimes the time limit, they'll need more time than what you've given them. I've given them 2 hours to take the quiz, so this is fine, but if you have this set for an hour and they get 90 minutes, just make sure you go back and have the quiz available for long enough as well as open. This will be set to unlimited. It might be set to unlimited rather. It might keep the quizzes settings, but it might default back to unlimited. So make sure you check it and see that it's set to however many attempts you want to allow. So we're going to save it, and it takes us back and it shows us that I've given just a time limit override for an hour and a half instead of that 35 minutes. And then you can go back and add another user override if you have more than one, doing the same thing. So that is how you would do that. Do make sure that you remember though that the availability and showing the quiz are two different things. So right now I've got the quiz showing, it's visible, but I don't have it available until September 25th. So what that means is my students could click on this quiz right now, but they would see this message that it's not available till the 25th. So there would be no space for them to click start, right? And so if you do have a student with an override, make sure you don't, after everyone else takes the quiz, make sure you don't hide the quiz on the main page, because the student, while it would be open for them to take, they won't be able to see it still. So just remember to have it showing for the duration of however many people still need to take the quiz, and then the availability will take care of the rest. If you have any questions or need help setting up some user overrides, I'm happy to help. Just get in touch with me at academictechnology@trinity.edu.